Alright, welcome guys to another a Godot live stream. I'm your host Morgan Ozpin, and today we're gonna be continuing on making our game, a space shooter game specifically. So for ever since the last time I've streamed, I have been slowly been updating the assets and scripts for the game that I've been developing for either Newgrounds or It's.io. So far I've created my main character's animations, and I've also created some enemy scripts here for my game. I've already done the scripts for this little flower drone character, which is an enemy, and it's not here appearing here, but there is also a script I've also made for this Owloon character that will follow the player wherever they go. So and I've also, I think, what did I do? I've also created like a spawner here, like a spawner out of these markers here that can like spawn a bunch of enemies for me. So right now you can see that there's a marker here, but there's like no enemies spawning here. But once I play the game, you can kind of see that we have created a spawner here, at least, that spawns two Owloon characters like that. And hey, that's so far the progress of my game. I still haven't added like some combat mechanics here. You still can't like kill these guys, nor can't kill me. And there's still a point system here, but we've already created this little the controls for my character, which is basically just the WASD keys if you're using the keyboard, but also there's also the up and down arrow keys to move everything here. I've also adjusted the player's movement in a way that it sort of like slows down and speeds up whenever I hold down the left and right arrow keys for a long time. What else? I've also, I guess, created another enemy here that you can't see yet. But, okay, let me just go to my scripts here. I've created this butter plane over here. And what this enemy basically do is that it moves in a sort of a spiraling direction. Well, I can't really show it to you. I explain to you guys without showing you how it really works. So I'm just gonna put it right. Not here. This where is the scene that stores my Rocket League character? I think it's this one over here. Anyway, I think my big head is freaking covering up everything here. So I'm just gonna put myself here, and over here under my file system. You guys can see this, right? Okay. There's like a butter plane script I made here, and what this guy basically does is move in a up and down direction while moving forward. So things are basically moving. Oh wow, I'm very fast. You can sort of see how this guy works. See, look at the guy going around and around. I think I need to also adjust maybe its collision shape here. Hold on. Collision, is it here? I don't want you to detect any of these. Okay, let me see. But yeah, basically I've already created my character's scripts, the scripts for my enemies here, well, basically almost all of my enemies. And what we're gonna be doing this stream is, oh hi cool guy, that's Fish. Hello, what's up? I am making a game here. Oh wow, something's happening. Hold on. Okay, something about my game is sort of lagging a bit. Wait. Okay. Okay, things are going so far. It's fine so far. But yeah, this is so far how my game looks like. to say that much about it. So today we're gonna be just making some. Oh wow, I need to restart my computer after this. Okay. So what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be making the scripts for my final 3 enemies I haven't done yet. And then offline, maybe I'll do the rest of the stuff I need to do, like making a spawning system for my enemies and a combat system. But I'm not sure yet what I should do first, so I'll plan those future stuff in a future stream, I guess. Doesn't seem like a space shooter. Well, I would say more like a side-scrolling shooter. It's not a top-down space shooter, but more so like a space shooter wherein you only get like a finite space to move, but you're still going to be like killing all these characters just flying around you. I actually don't know what genre this is. That's why I'm calling it space shooter, because you know, this a flying character and it's shooting stuff from the sky. Is that basically what space shooter is? But anyway, with that being said, let's go ahead and make a new scene here by first creating a character body 2D. Thought you meant like space, as in. I mean, yeah, it's like I feel like the people who named that genre sort of shot themselves in the foot by saying that any game under the space shooter genre should be called a space shooter, even if some of them aren't really even in space. But yeah, let's do a character body 2D here. Okay, we'll first program some basic enemies, starting with a rocket bee. Now, I think this is more so like a beginner-friendly enemy for someone who's new to my game would encounter. It's just a enemy that just flies straight forward. So we'll just have to make that real quick. Add the child node here. Let's make an animated sprite 2D, because even if I don't have any of the sprite frames here just yet, I might need to, let's call this like flying maybe. And then let's create a let's import some assets here. Alright, sprites, rocket bee, there we go. Oh, and that guy's big. But not to worry, we'll resize it after we create the collision shape for this. Okay. Add channel node, let's call in the collision shape or polygon. I think I'll go to polygon for this one. Alright. And then we'll save all of this as a scene. Access this unique name. No, I need to make this shape branch a scene. Alright. Kinda like your art style? Hey, thanks. If you like my art style, I do make sometimes some animations in my channel. So if you want to see me make some parodies of some known IPs like Donkey Kong or Fire Emblem, I did make some parody animations in the past. Of course, I also do some original stuff also in my channel, just to, you know, get my creative juices flowing. Let's see, small scenes, save. Okay. Alright, then we can just downsize this. Let's see, where is the transform? Here. Alright. just gonna move the guy right over here, where none of the where are the markers here? The spawner. Okay. So this won't collide with any of my spawners here. May I ask what the game is specifically about? Well, when you start the game, you spawn in this open area that I would like to call the Forest City, and your goal basically in this game is to kill as much enemies as possible without dying or getting hit by any of them. So your goal is to score the highest number of points while staying alive. And yeah, I guess that's basically it. It's, you know, it's standard space shooter stuff. It's very simple. I know it's not that complicated of a game loop, but it's I mean, I've basically only been using this Godot for, I don't know, like a few weeks now, and this is just my second game, so I'm keeping my game's mechanics very simple, very straight to the point, kind of like a roguelike. Yeah, I guess so. But except there's like no upgrades or anything. I mean, you can get some power-ups during the playthrough of this game, but it's like it's not like you carry stuff from one level to another or something. It's a better term, if you think, since permadeath. I guess so, but like there's like a lot of like roguelikes right now, right? Like it's like saying, you know, it's like saying water is liquid, you know. It's too general of a genre to call something a roguelike, because most games right now are basically roguelikes, right? Anyway, I need to first create a polygon here. Can I move this? Nope. Come on. Okay. But yeah. Alright, let me just make some of these collision shapes here. I think for this one I'll leave the I'll not include a hitbox on this wing here, because this thing will be like rotating around, and I don't want this I don't want to have too much of a hassle. There we go. Alright, what else? Okay, let's make a script for this. We'll make a character body 2D. Rocket B, okay. Scripts, butter plane, flower drone, owloon. Okay, I'll make one script over here. Is there like a story if there is any? What is the story if there is any? No story, surprisingly enough. Just go shoot some enemies and that's it. Let's see. Rocket B, create. Alright, let me go try and make some basic scripts here. Move and slide. And let's see. Velocity dot x equals 100, I guess. Let's see. No, negative 100 since it's flying from the right. Let's see. Yep, that works. Alright, look at that. This thing's flying now. And I think oh wow, that's... Okay, I also need to change the collision here maybe. Or maybe I'll just get rid of the masks for this one for now. Alright. So now I want this to be a little bit more dynamic, in a sense that if it is spawning from... Okay, wait. If it's spawning from one side, it should be in a normal position, but if it's spawned from another side, it will what's it called? It will have... Wait. It will have its asset flipped, I guess. Okay, wait. Sprite 2D. It's a flip here, right? Or like a... Okay. So I'll create a... This ain't the... This ain't it. Wait. There we go. I'll create a unique name for this one. I'll be an onReady var. Okay. Because I want to flip my sprite if it spawns in another... Where's the... I just realized I can't see my my space shooter right now. Okay, I'll get rid of some of these scenes here that I don't need. Okay. So I want so that if this bee is spawning from the right side, it will fly from right to left, but if it spawns from this side, it will fly from left to right. So let's create a... Let's see, global position underscore global underscore position equals wait one wait, what's the script for this one? If I move it here, what's his position right now? Like 2771. Oh, did I see also global position? Okay, Control C. I also make another variable here. Var is spawn equals true, false. Okay. Global position equals this one, and if is spawn equals false. Okay. Okay. There we go. Alright, this one. Assignment is not allowed. Okay, just make another variable here as well as dot x. Okay. And then if global position Control C, Control V. Let's make a duplicate of this. duplicate. All right, and I want this to be right over here. Okay. Actually, I think a better way to do this is if global position.x equals is greater than greater than 0. Okay, and then this one is on less than 0. And let's also create, I guess, an enum. Let's try and make an enum. Direction equals enum direction. Let's see. Fly left, fly right. Okay. And then let's create a enum, and then a default maybe. Okay, enum direction state equals direction dot default. Oh no, a var. Made a var. Okay. Alright, and then if global dot position is .x is greater than 0, it will fly to the left, aka -100. And if it's less than 0, then the velocity .x is equal to 100. But before we do so, I think I need to use these enums here. So direction state equals direction dot fly left. All right. Let me just copy and paste this. Control C, Control V, fly right. Okay. And then let's create another if statement here. If direction state is equal to direction dot fly left, then equals, okay, velocity dot x equals -100 if direction state is equal to direction dot fly right, then velocity, we'll see, Control V, equals 100. And of course I'll also try to create a delta variable. I seen guys recommend me to put some, to multiply my speed with delta sometimes to make it match with the frame rate of any device that this game runs on. So I'll do that at a later time, but for now I want to see if this works. Oh, what is this? Oh, default. Okay. Okay. And do this. Okay. And then I also need to make a switch here from isSpawn to false to isSpawn to true. True. Control C, Control V. Oh, Control V. Okay, let's see if this works. Hey, alright. And the other one? Okay, nice. Alright. So these things are flying now. I want to say something, but not much to talk about. That's okay. I really don't say a lot of stuff in my channel here. Direction state equals fly left, fly right. I'm gonna get the direction state. I'll get the animated sprite to the dot flip h equals true. Let's see, offsets. Yeah. The true trajectory is flip horizontally. Yep. So let's see. Okay, these guys are flying now. And the other guy? Hey, his texture is just flipped. Nice. I'm thinking maybe also I can also try to do the animations on the stream if I wanted to, but I have to like exit out of Godot for that. So, all right, nice. These guys are flying, and now it is time to create the turtle drone, the turtle car. Okay. I go to left. What is this? Oh, this is like the. I just noticed on my debugging, my debugging messages here. I think this is coming from my Helibird script here. Where is it? Here it is. I'm just gonna freaking turn these in comments. I don't need this to be playing right now. Where else? Where is this coming from? Velocity equals 0. Where are these numbers coming from? What the frick? Animation delta. Okay. Okay, I'm losing where are these numbers coming from? What the frick? The game's name is Helibird. Yep, the game's name is Helibird, alright, as in it's a mix between helicopter and bird. So hence Helibird. It's a dumb name, I know, but hey, this game is also dumb. Oh, it's coming from my. I think this thing is coming from my butter plane. This plane script here I created. Let's see. Killed, no. Q free. Let's see. This is the one that's causing it to print some numbers here. Okay, so now that we got the freaking rocket bee working, it's now time to create the next enemy here, which is a flower, not a flower drone. It's the turtle car. So let's make a new character body 2D here. By the way, I will delete these enemies in this main scene here once I'm done, because I want these to spawn rather than to just instantiate once the scene is loaded. Anyway, we'll create a turtle car here. And we'll also make access unique name. No. Create a child node here, and let's call this an animated sprite 2D. Alright, there we go. Empty new sprite frames. Okay. Let's open up this project, and this is the next thing we'll make. Ah, there it is. Okay. I was like wondering where the frick is my character here, but it's over here for some reason. Why is it not in the center as I wanted to? Anyway, this rocket be somewhere else. Okay, cool. And let's also create a collision shape 2D. Add child node, collision, polygon. Okay. Alright, then let's create a scene out of this. Change script, change type. So branches scene. Small scenes, how do I go? Third part. Yep. Okay. Now over here, I'll just create a freaking collision shape for this one. Make this pretty basic. Let's do this, 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 and I guess this. I don't wanna make some overhangs as much as possible, because I notice it sort of results in some bugs in Godot. Okay, so I'm leaving some of these spots open. Anyway, this is a grounded area, grounded enemy, so I don't need to worry about the collision shape for the underside of this car. Anyway, we got this set up. Let's make a turtle car script here. Put the scripts. Okay, open. Turtle car.gd, create. Alright. Okay, so the unique thing about this turtle car is that it will shoot projectiles from this cannon I've created on top of its shell. And it's a grounded enemy, so Helibird will have a hard time killing this dude. So let's go ahead and make. Actually, I think you can also copy and paste whatever I've created in the Rocket Bee spawner, the Rocket Bee script. Let's do it here. Control C. Turtle car. Alright. Control V. Less than 0. Okay. Let's make some variables here. Is spawn equals true. False. Let's pick an enum direction. And I'll just slightly change the naming of this to default drive left and drive right. Okay. Alright, and then for direction, oh. Expected what? There is a, what are you talking about? Minimum direction? Oh wait, it's this one? Huh? There's an error here. I wrote my enum here correctly. Oh, this one. Okay. var direction state equals direction dot default. Okay. Let's do a drive left, drive right, drive left, and drive right. Okay. Let's make a unique name for this. Nice. Okay. Might need to make a state machine for this one. Alright. Because not only do I want this guy to be moving. Wait, hold on. Did I make a state machine before? I think it's like, let's go down here. No, I found it. Flower drone? Yeah, the flower drone class here works. State machine extends node. Okay. Let's make a node for turtle car. Let's make a state machine node. Oh, I do have a state machine. Okay. Create this. Alright, and then oh, no, I want this to not be a parent of anything. Okay. Then let's make a state class here. Or wait, how did I create the flower drone? Freaking scripts here. Enemy state. Let's see, enemy class. gonna change that to that. Like a like, and let's create a what did I use here? Enemy state. Extends enemy state. Where's enemy state here? Enemy class? Is it enemy class? Enemy state, okay, process. Create owner as enemy. Extends the state class. Oh, okay. So I'll create an enemy state. Create. Alright. And I'll just call this like pause, maybe? Pause. Pause. Maybe I'm overcomplicating things here. Goal position. Grab left. Yeah. Okay. Owner as enemy. Yep. Extend the script. Wait, before we go let's make some scenes here for scripts. Flower. Create new folder. I'll call this freaking turtle car. Okay. Another turtle car will create a extension of the script. Small scenes. Scripts. Turtle car. Open. Create. Alright. Enemy state. Create a func. Enter. Oh my god, I'm losing myself here.
There's back to beep.
Oh, thank you. Enter delta. Where's the state? Where's my state class here? Okay. Copy this, Control C. Control V. There we go. No, enter. I want the enter class. Oh, god damn it. Okay, where is it? Ah, this one. Control C. Okay. So when it's under pause, the pause state, the velocity.x equal to 0. And then I need to copy and paste the update. Okay. I mean, not declared in the current scope. There's an enemy class here. Oh wait, let's see, enemy. Equals 0. Okay. Bar timer equals 5. Timer equals 5. I might need to make a physics update here actually. Physics underscore update. We'll see. It basically has the same functionalities as the physics update, but there we go. If timer equals timer minus equals 1 times delta underscore delta 0 bar 0 equals 0 times delta underscore delta. Okay. Okay, if timer is less than 0, less than 0, then finished dot emit move forward. Why did I spell that wrong? There we go. Move forward. Okay. Let's make another node here. Initial state should be the pause here. Okay. Let's create another state, as not another state here. State. Enemy state. Okay. Scripts. Turtle car. We'll call this freaking forward. Or move forward. Enemy states. Alright, I think this is when I start copy and pasting this part here. We'll see. Oh wait, no. Copy paste this part. Control C. Control V. Then let's get a Control C. Control V. And let's copy also Control C. V. Okay. Okay. and F range 1 and 3, I guess? 1 or 2 to 3. Alright. Or 2 to 4, let's see. And then let's do a print timer. Okay. We'll see. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay. Put one down here. Let's shrink it down, I guess. That's a small car. How about 0.5? 5 sounds good. Or 0.3? Oh yeah, 0.3 sounds good. Okay, let's see if this works. And he is not here. Why is the guy not here? I'll put it here. I'll maybe change the collision shape here to that. Okay. Alright, my boy's not moving. Why is he not moving? He's just flipping. The freaking emit is just not working, I guess. Enemy the velocity. Oh, I forgot to quit. Oh my god. Move and slide. There we go. Okay, this should fix it. Okay, then pause. Are you gonna pause? Hello? Ah, this guy's moving. Are you gonna pause? Hello? This guy should pause every nth second, I guess. That's not working. Oh, less than 0. Okay. Then let's do here. Okay. Right, come on, move. Move your ass. There we go. Huh? Alright, hold on. I need to hide this guy for a bit. Let's hide the flower drone for now. I think those ones causing some of these numbers to go around. Right, go, move. I just mean I'm moving. You gotta move your ass, come on. Move. Please move. Let's see. Okay, the move and slide is here. Emit. Velocity 0. Okay. Enemy dot. Move forward. 100. Okay. Okay, now what's happening? Alright, maybe I'll create I'll create 2 print functions. I want to see how quick it takes for them to go from one state to the next. So call this move forward, and the other one we'll call it Print. Pause. Alright. And just for troubleshooting sakes, I'll also get rid of some of the enemies here. Where is it? The butter plane. I need to get rid of the butter plane. Okay. Alright. Come on. Move forward. Oh, that's why. Move forward, pause. Move forward, pause. It's not like giving it time to move. So let me go back to the turtle car scene here. Okay, so something about the move forward script is not working. Let's see, timer, float, ran F range, okay. Timer equals 0, yeah. It can be the possible reason why it's doing that. It's only being called once, right? Let's see. Print. Timer. Timer. Okay. Pause, timer. What if I just turn this into 0, 0? Come on, move. But it's not moving. It can't already be less than 0 once it hits this, right? Unless the delta is doing something with it. Timer times delta. Oh, I'm live streaming right now. Yeah, I can't do anything about that. Okay, I gotta be pretty honest with you guys, I have no idea what the delta does exactly. I know it just sort of fixes up the timing issues. Okay, what if I just ditch the delta thing entirely? Just do this. Okay. Timer minus equals 1. Yeah. Oh my god. Unless this is... Okay, wait. Wait a minute, did I misspell the enemy type here? Wait. Our drone. Enemy. Enemy to velocity. Wait a minute. Enemy. What? I mean, is it? It's definitely not a thing here. Wait. Under enemy state? Where's enemy state? I'm in a what right now? Wait, enemy state, enemy class, enemy. Okay. All right. Okay, should at least wait. Enemy dot velocity dot x is equal to 100, then print move. Okay. Okay. It should move at least, right? Okay, it never moved. Why is it not moving anymore? Enemy. Enemy. 100. Yes. Oh, wait, is it just that? Because I created like a new var. Let's see. Alright, now it's moving. Okay. Something about this is what's not working, I guess. 2 minus equals 1. Equals timer times delta, and then timer minus equals 1. R equals 0. Wait, let's see this. Come on. Sucks. Alright, how about I just make the freaking timer here much longer? Maybe 40? How about 2,000 and 4,000 here? Let's see. god, I freaking hate this. How come in the pause it's able to make it last long? Timer equals 5. Timer floats. Let's see. Okay. Oh wait, it doesn't have the is spawn. Wait, is spawn. Var is spawn equals false equals true. Oh no, it's already calling it. I don't need this. I'm gonna move this to the front. I don't know, I'm just playing around with stuff here now. Let's see. Let's see if this will work. Ooh, right. Okay. Okay, now it's moving. And it ain't stopping. Wow. This is a very fast car. Why is it now not moving anymore? Is there at least a pause here? No, there's no moment to pause. Not sure. Oh, it's because it's got it all freaking messed up here. 2, 4. Okay. Okay, for some reason, just rearranging this just makes everything work for some reason. Okay, then I'm going to now make a... Let me get rid of this move if statement. Just want to know what the time is here. Okay, 2. Alright. 3. Okay, that seems much longer. All right. Alright. I'm gonna get rid of this. I want to see the delta. Print delta. I never really got to understand what the delta does here. Okay, so it says here 0.016. So I'm guessing that's the my frame rate, I guess? Is that my frame rate? I mean, it's very close, I guess. Okay, so now we got that figured out. Alright. It's time to make the projectile. I already forgot how to make a projectile, but this is just like... Okay. Character body 2D. Vector. Alright. Make a new scene here. We'll call this turtle projectile. Turtle projectile, and we'll make a animated sprite 2D. And also a collision shape. Okay, let's turn this into a freaking scene. Or projectile. Yeah, this is it. Okay, and I'm just gonna take this to here. Animated sprite. Let's make a new sprite frame. Let's open up project here, and this is how the ball looks like right now. Let's make a simple circle. Like so. I think this is not censored, so I think I'll just maybe I'll make this a capsule. There we go. This works. And then let's make go back to here. I'm gonna delete this scene. Yes. Let's go to turtle projectile here. And I think we'll just attach an existing script for this one. I want the same script as the flower projectile. So, scripts, rocket bee, turtle car. Flower drone, flower projectile. Load. Okay. Okay. Okay, we got this. So need to now make a new scene here. Okay, a flower drone and a cannon. This, I guess. What the? How did I make this? Flower projectile, flower drone. Okay. Yep, I think I get what to do. I need to make a new scene here. A 2D scene with my smells. Yeah, I think my turtle car should go down here. And then we need to make a bunch of cannons. Where are all my cannons? I can make the cannons again. Okay. And 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. For this one, we'll just make one cannon. So no 2D. Cannon. And I'll attach a script to this. Call it I'll call it freaking the turtle. Oh. Turtle car. The car. Turtle cannon. Create. Alright. Copy and paste this. Control C. Control V. Okay. Shoot. Okay. if turtle car dot velocity dot x is equal to 0, var has shot equals false. Okay. Oh, okay. Alright, that should fix up the cannon. Let's go back to our main scene. We're gonna delete this guy here and replace it with a different guy. Where is it? Turtle, car, and cannon. Right. Oh, node 2D. Okay. All right, let's see. Let's play this in action. Oh, what the heck? Turtle carts, sorry. Get that out of the way. Alright. Play it. Alright, what now? Okay. Wait, what? I assigned it to collision shape? What? Right, let's see, where's this? To the cart. No projectile. Oh, I did. Oh my god, that's not what I wanted to happen. Okay, just go to scripts, turtle cart, turtle. What did they call this? A turtle projectile, right? Cancel. Oh, I just need to, I just need to find the... Okay, disconnect it to this. Get this up here. Halibird, yeah. Turtle projectile. Turtle car, turtle... Scripts, turtle car. Flower drone, flower projectile. Wait, there we go. Alright, let's play this. Okay, nothing's shooting. Nothing is shooting. Why is nothing shooting? Let's see. Take a card from cannon. Okay, let me just make a hashtag. Or I guess delete all of this stuff now that it's gone good. Oh my god. Okay, C index equals -1. Oh, wow, that's big. Okay, wait, is this even in the right little projectile? Okay, let's play it one more time. Let's go to not turtle car. Space shooter. Move this guy a little bit to the middle here. Okay. I don't see any of the... It's not shooting anymore. Wait. Cannon. At least I know it's instantiating it. Now the problem is I don't know where it is right now. Okay, how about I just oh wait, I think it has to do with the collision shape here. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Oh wow. Wait, where's my guy? Wait, was he taken into the orb? Oh no. Turtle car. Let's see. Collision. Yeah, I think it was taken by the orb. So I'm gonna get rid of the mask there. Oh, because it's only in this state right now. If velocity equals a turtle cart dot velocity dot x is not equal to 0, then hash shot equals false. Okay. Alright, let's see if this works. Hey, yo, what's this guy? Jerboxy? What's up, man? Oh wow, okay. It's working, finally. Okay. Hey, left for a bit? That's fine. I am now making this guy's enemy script. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and turn down the turtle projectile's shape to around like 0.25. There we go. A boss? No, that's not a boss. It's a projectile I scaled too big. Okay, so now this is working, but the Z index is now not where I want it to be. Let me just quickly resize this one more time. Let's see, node transform. Yeah, maybe make it a little smaller, like that. Maybe I have trouble with this with the owl, with the other enemy as well. Let's see. Flower drone. Get back up here. Okay, there we go. It's working. Look at that. Holy shit is moving! Wow! Okay, now the problem is that this thing is spawning underneath my... all of my shit here. So, let's see, what do I do with the ground here? Z, can I make this like... okay. Let me just paste this, okay. Hybrid drone. Car and cannon. I need to fix the Z index, but how do I fix it? Z index dot 0 minus 1. Can I print the instance? Print instance dot Z dex. Z dex Control C. All right, Control V. ZDex. Okay. The enemies seem really slow. Yeah, I know, but I'll adjust the speed parameters once I adjust their -1. Okay. Yeah, well, just their parameters once I fix up their main movements and projectile stuff. Let's see. Okay. The Z-Dex is that. How about in the... Go see. Let's also try this on the turtle, on the flower cannon here. Control V. Alright. Let's see. Oh, what's the Z-dex? -1. Okay. Why is this not? Oh, wait. Earth arm. Let's call this turtle car or something. Turtle car and cannon. Oh my god, it's still appearing in the back. I still have no idea how this thing is like clipping in front of my freaking layer here. It's had to do with the okay. I just need to change I think the Z index of this. Ordering 2. Okay, so now if this is gonna play, it should all be spawning in front. There we go. Finally, it works. Okay. Nice. Alright. So I think that will be all for the scripting side of things, because now I want to try and I want to try to get some of the animations for this complete. Starting with maybe making the animations for the Rocket Bee and the Owl Loon. So with that being said, we're gonna be exiting Godot for a bit here. I know that seems like clickbait. I mean, I call this freaking stream a Godot stream, but I need to exit Godot here for a second. Save this. Alright, and I'm gonna just cancel this for a bit, because I want to work on some of the animations for my enemies, as well as maybe also make the animations for my main character. Let's see. Alright. Okay. Wait, how do I want this to work? Right. get all this out of the way. Okay, rotation. The animation. Getting game fluid animation to work here might take a bit of time though. Okay, well, let's make a new file explorer here. We'll make a new folder over here. PNGs. Wrestling? No. Wrestling? No. Where's my Helibird? There it is. Okay. Sprites. Put the Helibird here. Let's make a new folder. Call it Fly Up. Okay. And under the fly up script, we will make some sprites. Okay. Render fly up left. Okay. Render animation, but we need to change the freaking and there we go. Render fly up left. Okay, render animation. Okay, then we just have to do all of these layers up here, here, then R, Z. Can I just wait? Can I just mirror this? Mirror X global or Y global? No. Okay, then fly up left, new folder, fly up right. Okay. I should have done this like offline because I feel like this is getting a bit more confusing for me. Fly up right, okay. Render animation. Okay. So I just wanna mess around with Halibird script here. Let's make go back to Godot. Save this project, close it. I don't want to have too many tabs open all at once here. Alright. How long have we been streaming? 2 hours. Wow, 2 hours for only like 2 enemies. Okay. Let's see. The Halibird. Edit the scripts here. Alright, so this function here pretty much is responsible for which animation is being played over here. So I want to create now some more animation frames here. It's called fly up right. Okay. Assets, sprites, Helibird, fly upright. Open. Okay, let's see how this guy looks in action. Oh, that's slow. 24, please. 24 frames. There we go. Much better. Now let's go to fly up left. Oh my god, why is it always in 5 frames per second? Okay. Okay. Now let's go back to Turtle Car, I guess. Wait. Oh, Helibird. If velocity dot y is greater than 0, sprite 2D dot animation equals flying up I know it's sorry, this is not how it's supposed to go. This here, less than 0, flying up, right? Wait.
Right now, this music.
Velocity.x is less than 0. Maybe the facing left attribute here. if facing left, flying up left. Okay. Else elif Control C, Control V, flying up right. Okay. Okay, then if velocity dot y is equal to 0, equal to or greater than Okay, I'm confused. Where did this stop? Okay. This one here, and then to move this to a different okay. Oh my god. There's so many if statements here. Oh my god. Velocity that y is less than or equal to 0. I'll just have to adjust everything here. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, I messed up the animation here. Yeah, it's not moving anymore. Input. Oh, that's not it. Face flying animation going right. Input dot is action pressed. Turns true if you are releasing the action event. Like up. Okay. statements. Not an elif statement. Wait, is facing left being... okay. C, Control V. Oh, that's not it. Okay, I want to see how this is freaking made. Right, 2D dot animation equals flying what's the frame rate again? Flying fly up left. Okay, here we go. Maybe I need to put this here. Control C. I'll just maybe make the freaking if going up equals true, and play up animation. Okay. Funk up animation. maybe also create, also put the freaking thing here for C. But that is action pressed, right? Going up equals true, then with the up animation. Elif going up. The animation, okay. If facing left, then sprite 2D dot animation equals flying to flying upright. Up left, sorry. Elif facing right. Facing left equals false. Then sprite 2D the animation equals flying up right. Okay. See if this works. Okay, things just go to shit once. Okay, I'll go ahead and make a print function here. Also, I need to get rid of some of the freaking print functions here as well. Canon. A flower drone? Is it flower drone? Yeah, I'll get rid of this. Go. And also let's look at even slide. Even slide's good. Look at the Halliburd class here. Facing left, sprite 2D animation, flying up left, flying up right. Okay. Then I'm gonna know if this is being detected. Print. released up. Then over here, Control C, Control V, pressed up. Okay. It's not moving. So how about we move all of this to here. Okay. I'll make a just pressed, maybe? Let's see. Action pressed up, going up equals true. See. Print. Going up. Control C, Control V. It's probably gonna be like my longest stream ever. Let's see. Okay, things start to like glitch out once I... Oh wow. Once we get to switching it from here to here. Up animation. Is this okay? Oh, I just noticed it doesn't ever go back to false. This action pressed is up. Going up equals true. Oh, it never got back to going up equals false. Okay. Okay, let's get to flying up left, but why is it not overriding it? Go back to my sprite frames. Going up equals true. Oh, I think I just need to get rid of this. Hello, what art style is your game? My art style? Well, it's a 2D art style, but in reality, it's actually a bunch of 3D renders I did in Blender. That's why it kind of looks 3D in a way, but in reality, all that you're seeing here is 2D because I'm using the 2D engine of Godot. I can't really name what my art style is because it's an art style that's been with me ever since. Okay. Oh, wait. Do I have this here? Hold on. Oh my god, I think I've messed things up here. Control C. VOV. Okay, now it's not working. It's not working. Again. What the frick? What happened to all these? Oh, god dang it. Okay. There. I think I've removed any extra animation function running around my fix this process because I think it's overloading whatever I'm making here. Okay. Now what's the problem? Oh my god, this sucks. Okay, flying up left, flying up right. Okay. Under the animation, is there any other thing I need to delete here? Maybe I need a pass. What does pass do again? Return void. Oh wait, I think I misspelled it. Oh my god. Fly. There. Oh my god. Is this a simple misspelling? I swear to god, if it's just if it's just a spelling of it that I got wrong. Ah, finally, it works. Okay. Okay, nice. Ah, finally I got this fixed. Ah. I just spelled the frickin' animation wrong. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, I think I'm gonna end the stream here, guys. I apologize for the long-ass stream wherein I just worked on 3 enemies here. The turtle car, the rocket bee, and me, the helibird. Yeah, I think it's gonna be it for the stream, guys. So just to recap, what we've made here are these characters. A turtle car that would shoot projectiles from its shell from underneath. A rocket bee that just goes out and about here. A butter plane that moves in a diagonal direction. Where's the other guy? And me, my helibird that can tilt a little bit. When he moves. And there's also the other things I made offline, which is this owl loon that can follow me around, and also where's the other guy? This guy, the flower drone that can shoot these pellets from behind. I'm gonna make my game a little bit easier because I noticed that there's a lot of projectiles going around here. If I were to, make all of this from... If I'm gonna spawn more enemies, I think there'll be a lot of projectiles flying around the screen. So to make things easier, I'm gonna have it so that only when you touch the enemies will you die, I guess. And if you are gonna touch these projectiles, there will be just some debuffs to you, like maybe you won't be able to use your gun, or if you're being shot by the turtle drone, you will experience a little bit of a slowdown effect going on. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, be sure to like and subscribe. I think for tomorrow or our next stream, I'm gonna make it so that we only... Actually, I'm gonna make it so that we will do some more updates to my wrestling animation that I've been working on. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like what you see, be sure to like and subscribe. Now go read a book. Bye-bye. Bye.